Why is coal-fired pizza so popular and nice? Imagine biting into a slice of pizza that has a smoky, charred flavor with a crisp yet tender crust. That's what makes coal-fired pizza stand out in New York City's food scene. Coal-fired pizza has roots that go back over 100 years in New York. When Italian immigrants arrived in the early 1900s, they brought their pizza traditions with them. Many of these early pizzerias used coal ovens to bake their pies. These ovens could reach very high temperatures, often over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much hotter than standard gas ovens. The intense heat from coal ovens allowed the pizza to cook quickly, creating a crust that is crispy on the outside and chewy inside. The high temperature also gives the pizza that signature smoky flavor and a slightly charred look on the crust. This method became a key part of what we now call New York-style pizza. Many famous pizzerias in the city, like Patsy's, Lombardi's, and Totano's, still use coal-fired ovens today. They keep this tradition alive because it produces a unique taste that can't be matched by gas or electric ovens. These ovens are often large brick structures, sometimes built outside or attached to the building, and some have been in use for decades. Although gas ovens became more common starting in the 1930s because they are easier to operate and maintain, the coal-fired method remains a symbol of authentic New York pizza. It's part of the city's culinary history and identity. The flavor and texture of coal-fired pizza are why many locals and visitors seek out these spots. In the broader New York culinary scene, coal-fired pizza is seen as a link to the city's immigrant past and its tradition of bold, flavorful food. It's also a testament to the city's love for quick, delicious food that can be enjoyed on the go. When you visit the best pizza spots in New York City, you're tasting a piece of history with every slice. The smoky flavor, the crispy crust, and the cultural story behind it all make coal-fired pizza a true New York City food experience.